Everyone, Not Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make barbecue meatloaf minis. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need a pound of ground beef or pork or chicken, whatever you want. Just make sure it's a pound. Then you need one package of stuffing mix, the 6 ounces. I'm using the cornbread flavor. You can use whatever you want. You need a cup of water. You need 3/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, but I'm going to use more than that. And then if you want to add a teaspoon of garlic powder and 3/4 cup of barbecue sauce. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 and spray 12 muffin tin with cooking spray. Okay, so next you just want to go ahead and mix all of that together. You can start off with a spoon, but I'm going to tell you you're going to use your hands. The only thing that you want to leave out is the shredded cheese. Alright, that is nice and mixed up, so I am just going to go ahead and fill up my 12 muffin tins. Alright, my little muffin tins are filled up, and I went ahead and made, I don't know if you can tell, little indents in each one, and I'm just going to put a little more barbecue sauce into each of those little indents. And then we're going to cook that for 30 minutes, and then we'll put the cheese on it after it bakes for 30 minutes and cook it an additional 5 minutes. Alright, that is ready to go into the oven, like I said, for 30 minutes at 375. Just came out of the oven and they smell so good. I'm going to go ahead and top them with my cheese and put them back in there about 5 minutes. Alright, those are ready to go back in. Alright, these just came out of the oven, so we're just going to let them cool a few minutes and we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Okay, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.